Hello everyone, my name is Goodtama Rahunnaja from the Electronic Engineering Technology study program of the Madiun State Polytechnic. Here I will make a program calculate the inverting circuit and the signal image in Visual Basic 2010 application. First, open the application Visual Basic. Then click New Project. Select Windows from Application. Click OK. Well, there is a form for you to add toolbox that already exists in Visual Basic, and also is from the will be displayed. We run the program. Next, we will add an inverting circuit image using the picture box location, using the picture box location in the toolbox on the left. Uh, to add an image in the property section on the bottom right, select the image menu. Next menu, click select local research, click import, select inverting image, open. Then after that, so that the inserted image can adjust the picture box. We select the size mode menu on the properties, then change. Okay, sorry. Then after this, so that the inserted image can adjust the picture box. We select the size mode menu on the on the properties. Test mode. Click select straight image. Next, we add text box as input from resistor 1 and feedback resistor. We also add label and text box again for PVP and frequency input. Oh yeah, to change the name of the label, you can go to properties, look in the text menu, then change is the style. Select multi-line to adjust the textbook. After that, we will segment display from the input and output using the chart toolbox. Then in the properties, we look for the series menu, click, uh, change chart type to SP line. Where for the border weight, we change 5 so that the line of the signal will be thick. And also don't forget to change the name so that it can distinguish between input and output by looking for the name menu. Name menu, change input or in. After that, we click add to add the signal again to the same way as before. Add that people change SP line, way change five name, fade out. Okay. Uh, Here I will also add information on the Y and X axis by selecting the set areas menu. Click select axis, uh, select X axis to change time. To edit the font in title font, but okay. Next, Y axis, title full text. Okay. Mm. For next, add a button to start the program, then change the name as desired. Can replace start. Change button, click button to replace name in the properties. Text replace start. Okay, don't forget to add the timer because to run the chart of all graph we need a timer. Timer, click. Yeah. Next, we will directly create the program to enter the program. That is by double clicking the button toolbar because I want to create the program in the button. Next, we enter the variable and data type needed with the format team variable name as what type of data. Team R1 as double team RS team double team frequency frequency. After that, add a time to button one, the time to equal to 0, so that later when we click the button for the initial value of time will be 0. Time 0. And at timer start, when later we click the button, then the timer will run. After that, we return to the form, the double click on the timer section, double click. Then we will create the variable that we create earlier so that later the variable value adjust the textbook value that has been input. R1 from time 1 to text. Oh yeah. Oh yes. To see how many textbooks can be seen in the property section, the textbox name, the textbook, the properties name. One, two, the text. Okay. One, three, frequency. One, the that we create another variable for fill in. Now the formula fill in is as follows. Because the formula requires an amplitude value, we will create another variable We create a variable amplitude with the formula Pp divided by 2. Pp divided and create a variable for in. So we change rumus and so in to p okay to p times 100. Yes. After we have fed in, we create another variable for the fade out with the following formula. There. Okay. After that, we make it so that the result of the fade in and fade out calculation are displayed on the graph. Chart one. Oh yes, to see the series of the chart can be seen in the properties. And series. Series 0, series 1. I 1, so series 1, series 1, so X1, I. And after that, we add the incremental interval of 10. Time 1. Oh yes, let's add also in the button section a program to delete the chart when we click the button again. Top one, so zero, so okay. Okay. Uh, one, so say this, there is one, move forward, good, good. Yes, then we will start the program breakaway. Oh, yes, I forgot. I also went to add the display so that the value of V in and V out are displayed by adding another label, then renaming it to V in and V out. Label, change name, input this in V in, and then default and V out. Label for change V in and format taken 0.2. Look, no, set in level 3, level 3, level 4, text, pay out, organize, pay out, to, to, yes, we run the program. Satu, empat. Yes, finally, the program that we made successfully can be seen for the graphics image in appropriate for the investing circuit. Yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.